In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the craft theme on Shopify. We'll start right inside your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the option labeled Online Store and click it. This will open the themes area. At the top, you'll see your current live theme. If craft is already published, it will appear there. If not, scroll down a little to the theme library section, where all your installed themes are listed. Find the craft theme in that list. Then move to the right side of that row and click Edit Theme to open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, your screen is split into two main areas. On the right, you have a live preview of your store. On the left, you'll see a list of sections, and in some cases, blocks nested under those sections. To rearrange anything, simply hover over a section or block, then click and drag it up or down to change the order. If you want to delete something, hover again and look for the small trash icon on the right side, then click it. To hide an item without deleting it, hover over it and click the eye icon. Clicking that same eye again will unhide it. Some sections contain blocks inside them, such as images, buttons, or text items. To reveal these, click the small arrow to the left of the section name. This expands the section so you can see each block, as well as an Add Block button. Clicking Add Block will show you the types of blocks you can insert into that specific section. You can also add entirely new sections. Below the list of existing sections, click Add Section, then choose from the available options. Keep in mind that what you can add in areas like the header, the main template, and the footer can vary depending on the theme structure. To actually style and edit content, click on any section or block in the left panel. For example, in a rich text section, you might be able to adjust the content position, text alignment, color scheme, whether the section is full width, the top and bottom padding, and even add custom CSS. Each type of section or block will have its own unique set of options. If you want to change something that affects your entire store, look to the far left side of the editor for the gear icon. This opens the Theme Settings panel. Here you can update your logo, colors, typography, layout, animations, buttons, variant pills, input fields, product cards, collection cards, blog cards, and more. Scroll through this panel to see all the global settings available. To work on a different page, go to the top center of the editor where you'll see a page selector, which usually defaults to the home page. Click it, and a drop-down will appear. From here, you can choose a different template, for example, products, then default product. As soon as you select a new page, the preview on the right will switch to that page, while the sections and blocks for that template will still appear in the left panel for you to edit in the same way. When you're happy with your changes, don't forget the final step. Go to the top right corner and click Save. This will publish all your edits to the live theme so your visitors can see your updated craft design.